Okay, here's my test folder with the files I want to share with user Joe2. So I'm going to go to my terminal, type ls-l, and you can see that notes.txt does not have any access for other users. So I'm going to go to Joe2 and try to open the notes.txt with cat notes.txt and permission denied. So I'm going to use an access control list to give this one user specific access to this file. And I'm going to do that by typing setfacl -m for modify, u for user, the colon and the user's name, which is Joe2, then another colon, and I want to give him read and write access, so RW. Then I want to give him access to notes.txt. So I'll go back to Joe2, cat notes.txt, and this time it worked. So back to Joe. If we do an ls-l on the directory, you can see that now there is a plus symbol at the end here, which means there is more permissions information. And we can read that by typing getfacl notes.txt. And you can see now there's a user Joe2 with read and write access for this file. Now to give access to a group, we can use the same command, but instead of U for user, we're going to do G for group. And the group is also Joe2. And I'm going to give that group read-write access. Do an ls-l, the plus is still there. Type in getfacl notes.txt. You see now there is a group entry in the ACL with read and write access. Next we can type setfacl -R for recursive, and then the rest of it is the same command as before, but what this is going to do is give Joe2 read-write access to the whole directory. So instead of a file, I'm adding /home/joe/test. You have read and write access to the whole directory plus any subdirectories. So if I do ls-l, you can see everything on here has a plus. Now if I cd into test2, do ls-l, you can see there's a plus by the deb file. So Joe2 also has read access. Okay, next, if you want to remove the write access, or the read access, just do the same command with just an R, and it'll modify the ACL to just have read access to the directory. And you can see the write access has been taken away from user Joe2. Okay, next, we can use setfacl-b to remove the ACL from a file or directory. So I'm going to remove the ACL from notes.txt. And if we get the facl notes.txt, we can see that the user Joe2 is now gone. We're going to do the same thing for the directory by doing -R-B/home/Joe/test. And if we do ls-l, the plus sign is gone for all the files and subdirectories. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.